This is Curtis off of the C off of AC Pro Inc. and I am showing you how to clean your PSP screen if there gets dust under there and it just bothers you. So first of all, you're gonna need a screwdriver that can get like that size out. So first you take this screw out right here, like so. And then you want to keep this in a good, safe place, like use a plate or something. And next, you take the battery out. I have an older one, but if you have a newer one, it'll be the same. And then you take, there's three in there. There's one right here, there, and there. And there was one right here, but I lost it because I bought a new screen for mine. Because I got mine free. Because it had a broken screen. Okay. So just don't lose any of these screws is the main thing. If you lose one, it's okay, but just don't lose like all of them. And what you're gonna need, other than a screwdriver like this is what I have, you're gonna need a wet washcloth. And if you don't have one of those, use a paper towel, like wet it all. And I think I missed a screw somewhere. I'm not sure. Oh yeah. No. Oh yeah, I did. Right in here is the other two I forgot about. But do not use a Kleenex because on your screen little white scrubbly things will mess it up. And before I used a tech deck tool and I could get the screws out that way, but right here is where it will not let you. So then you just simply pull off the top like this, and then you can blow some of the dust off. And then if not, just take your wet washcloth and get all the dust off of there. And then when you're done with that, you're going to want to dry it off, not with a Kleenex, because Kleenexes leave little white smudgy balls that'll stay in there. And then I'm just going to dry it off with my shirt, because that's an easy way. And then, so now your screen is clean now. And then if you really have to, if you play your PSP so much and your buttons are starting to fall apart, you could, I guess if you wanted to, you could take them out and maybe boil them in water or clean them or something and get all the bacteria off. So then simply just replace it back on and follow the steps back, and then that should help you. It helps me. Thank you.